Penny Nana Kufuado, Ene Dampi, acting IGP, Dr. George Ekufu Dampare, and Wado Mienu, I to Hasi. Ya we to omanante na afi wase de man service na antia quarter ni mu no omo nyina nan no nifa no nesi ho na bonkum no e wo soro nti wo hwa na che se omo ko match papa bi e na o mampani ka se dampi wa mena ni dance amfere gidi a wonya wo dampare mu a ode adwuma hye ne nsa no dampare ate nanim wate nanim papa afi mampani se coup d'etat hodo ni nyina no ye betumi asia no e wo Africa ha sei enkomo a wona enuanom ahefemfo kwotwetwe okumase no emusam no ebi na afei MBP police station registration no so Jombo adu kire se omunwie ombuso ya omo register eno chronicle
Maame for daily analyst and twaso na o hye NC board ne ene ebeda wo mo adie ena kura bia omo asase omo doso galamsey fo ate
any farabai endi na tamungu na anim ase because they have taken money from somebody mwajimi. This is what is going on in Ghana. Yenya Captain Smart because otimi di Ekufuado atem free. Yenya Captain Smart because otimi di Baumia atem free. Na maybe say Captain Smart SHS na okita. Captain Smart SHS na okita. Otimi di obi a oye PhD. Na wajimi na wiase na tenise kwampo a wajimi say wo SHS wo say PhD holder bon. What is this world turning into? Because Ghana for Mubia Jaimu, and Mwabi, Mwa, and Ponchibi, in maybe, they are taking you for fools because some of them say, Sembion you consume. This is the problem. And Mwana who say, Sembion Becambian Ghana for Mumbi, you are so easily convinced. You consume so much stupidity. That is where a more when you find a move on my dream. Nanka mia and Kawati some one samna and Kawa Shima will say, Nyansa Sembe the woman. Missy Ken or Hina Japon or Nipo. He is a human being. Into one Trahoma, a boy take a Kwakusket because of the US. You see, the whole import of the issue is that Omun is almost the US. Into the Sambia and Kaum, into Musoria, no more concocted stories. I'm fabricated stories. And they tanishi open image. Na ken ye MP tino. As if for second man kasa. Ken ye di because we MP we need chasri. We MP tidian. So if Ken is an MP into one name we be say kwakuska nika bintela engule ni masi. Into na do ye or that or ye president intino into ye jai ma muwa bi mu gule ni masi e dinner tem. Hey, yet I don't know we have only one president. And until Papa na the term no, there is none other than Nana Adranko Kufuado. Edward or any Juma. Edward is working. Baba, can you get me some handkerchief from my listen? Edward is working or any Juma. This man is working or any Juma. Obey you know be a never in your life think say a mwabi or muni come for and then kwasefo bi ho muni come for ejimifo me say nenefo krampo on the kaida nenefo e won in kaida. One day people will forever remember Edward William Ekufuado. Ghana for me say one day you will remember Edward William Ekufuado. Asim for one day you remember Kennedy Ohine Japan. Don't sit there for no entities in more be a Jimmy-phobia or mamma quantity or man co school da or man co practice school for them become Yako baby or moon or brebi or my brother to insult them unabated every day. Again, Bonnie or my Baumia dear Bonnie why yet Captain Smarter into a Sorabio so dinner tama Nagana for Mujitum because Captain Smart a mere journalist or no one issue on a brabum. Built a mansion, and I repeat, built a mansion on Galamsey and the extortion of money. And what they're gonna now, what we are scared, we are. That guy simply put, or a web. Captain Smart is a web. Jejentria boa timifo. Ah, otu fu trouble youth na any. And me catch me see Ohini David. Listen to me and look at my face. Many way tantantanyo and your fair. But would you watching me because what poor? And I wouldn't penny for them. Wouldn't matter, but I want to warn you. Me see, umbre besun. More time eba. The day of reckoning is here. Dink of Watema because Ghana ni awoti sebi Ghana. Mamboeni Ghana ni. Dream ni Ghana ni. Fraud ni Ghana ni to say Captain Smart. This man is telling you stories because Sika opedinti. And some of us we will not budge. Who can one can you? Me see akradia ubon one how much today. Captain Smart, me see you also from commander to sugar factory to Afari hospital. And when a woman who say Captain Smart, what you a fool? Now we will be a wicked. Who are me to within the God's brain and Satan's brain? If your mother, Captain Smart, named you God's brain, if your father, which we don't know, umpo so papa. Captain Smart, umpo, what's it papa? Mo papa no ma mo bra nhwemo a. E na mo de mo nsem ko wie mukro mo hene so. Captain Smart, umpo what's it papa? Captain Smart, what's it papa? Papa na otu din God's brain no. And yes, Satan's brain because woman me. And this papa no dream deal mumojam. And I can prove to you when all the women you extracted money from, Esha said, Uma me abuano and on started di say jam. Uma me this can no this brain no gentleman. Senka yembra Ghana air food do. Nanado, they do be me do here. I do prema me do here. What should be mu too much? What may be more Jimmy or Ghana? Because Patrice Lumumba me kobo han krapoti. Sas kola ya o free yi obaka tell say why din. It is because you are not been able to jail muabimu. It is because Nanado you have failed to jail a muabimu because of compassion and empathy. People must be in jail now. Inti no obiye who say why you too lenient on these people and they are using your leniency as your weakness. People must be in jail. People must be in jail. But why you didn't, you know, the international community will say, I didn't know why you didn't. But when you say, Ghana, 7 previous, Ghana, Kumanu, Muntia, you are Ghanaian.